Hello students, Michael Sanchez here with Kyle. You have a question for me?
Yeah, I was just curious about your violin experiences and what orchestras you played in and stuff like that.
Sure, thank you so much for asking that. Well, I've been playing violin since I was 4 years old, so it's been quite a while. Played in a lot of different orchestras. I did Grand Rapids Youth Symphony growing up. I was always in there for my high school years. Also played in my Calvin Christian School Orchestra. I was always first chair. There was all girls in it, so I was the only guy. But I'm telling you, it's not just a girl instrument, so guys don't think that it's not cool to play violin. And yeah, I went to Western, played in the orchestra at Western Michigan University, and yeah, I just always been playing violin all my life, and really enjoy it. Now I'm teaching full time. I've played different gigs all around the country. Did a gig out west, Medora Musical. It was a 94 gig show. Every single night had to play. That was intense. Kind of got sick of the violin after that a little bit, honestly. But then came back and decided to teach full time and started my websites, Violin Tutor Pro, and then Superior Violins. But yeah, orchestra's fun. I'm actually really missing playing. At one point I was going to try out for one of our orchestras here nearby, but just got too busy teaching and stuff. But highly recommend that to anybody out there. It's a lot of fun to play with a group. So if you can't do that, at least play like in a quartet or something. Our quartet's been playing now for about 5 years. So like we play different wedding gigs and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, thank you so much for that question, Kyle, and appreciate all you guys out there that have been watching me for some time. And please feel free to email me if you have any questions, rivertownviolin@hotmail.com. Thanks so much for watching.